Welcome back to Custom Boot Rack of the Week, and today it's a rough out kind of day from the factory. But first of all, a big congrats to Alwyn, who was the winner of our custom made boot giveaway from a few weeks ago. And in today's video, we're going to give away another pair of boots. So hang around till the end of this video to see what spec Alwyn went for and how you can win yourself a pair of custom made gym green boots. Update from what's happening here at the factory is our leather balm is finally in stock and available on Amazon. Being a rough out kind of day, it goes really well with rough out leathers and is of quite a high waxy content. Now I recall seeing a post on Reddit of a customer that applied our leather balm to a rough out leather and it came out really awesome. So once you get this in hand, you heat it up or just massage it a little bit and it sinks really well into these rough out leathers. So let's get on to our custom boot rack of the week, and first up we have our African Ranger in our JGA black rough out with red stitching. Now this boot is double lasted, making it nice and durable, and this red stitching really pops against the black. Now the boot comes together with a full leather midsole and our mini lug EVA outsole. Now normally some customers will go for a lug sole or a wedge sole, which does make this boot quite heavy, but because we've gone with the mini lug EVA, it does reduce the weight a little bit and still makes this one very durable and rugged option. Okay, next up is my favorite boot from this custom boot of the rack week, and that is our Razorback boot with a rough out tan vamp and our standard JGC collar. Now with time and wear, these two are going to come together really nicely, and there's just something about this rough out tan that I really like. It has an almost like peachy brown look to it, and I can't wait to see one of these boots in this rough out tan, how it ages. So just to put it in perspective, this is the smooth out of the tan, so you can see how those peachy colors do come through the leather in the tanning process. Now another thing is this boot has number 10 in white stitching all the way around the boot, which, provided the boot doesn't get too dirty, is really going to pop against the rough out. And then something a little bit more interesting is the D-ring options all the way up to the speed hooks. So yeah, this boot, I would love to see it in a couple of months time once put to the test, and it all comes together with our leather midsole and a firm JG lug outsole. So this boot, perfect for hiking or the outdoor environment. The rough out tan really makes this boot quite a trendy, almost fashionable item. The fact that it has the undertones of that reddish tan, I think this boot could also look pretty good on the sidewalk. Next up, we have another boot in our JGA black rough out. Now here you can see this customer went for the red stitching, this customer went for the white stitching. So the levels of customization, we've really gone above and beyond to give you guys the options of what you want to do here. Now this customer has combined the JGA rough out with our a JG natural color outsole, which does create quite a nice contrast, and with time and wear this honey does get a slightly browner look to it, so it will blend in quite nicely with the upper. Now one thing that's noticeable about this boot is it's made on our ASHM last, making it slightly more narrow and almond shaped. So here we got two quite different boots, different lasts and different soles, just showing how your customization can vary from boot to boot. Before we get on to Alwyn's pair, how can you win yourself a pair of customized gym green boots? And we're going to be keeping it rough out. So in the comment section below, please let us know which gym green leather you would use in the rough out version and how you would customize the boot. Please also like this video and subscribe to our channel, or unfortunately you won't qualify to win your pair of boots. On to Alwyn's pair and what he went for. So right off, I really love that he went for our tan leather. Now some find this color a little bit in your face and a little bit too bright, but with some wear and tear and some adventure, it really gets a nice medium brown look to it. Now he's gone for an olive stitch all around the boot and a composite toe cap, so obviously for the work environment. Now he's added a pair of olive shoelaces, which we need to add to the boot, but this is just a comparison between our olive and our gym green laces that traditionally came with a pair of gym green boots. The boot is finished off with a full leather midsole and our tire wedge sole for added comfort on that work site. So we're looking forward to hearing from Alwyn and how he finds this pair of boots. So thanks again for watching, chaps, and all the best for the giveaway.